These are words that begin with po in Te Reo Māori. And by the end of the video, I want you to comment below, what do you think is the common theme among these words? The first word is po. Po means dark. Po we often use to describe the night. Po. The second word is one that we often use to describe sadness, the feeling of being sad. Pouri. Kei te pouri ia. He is sad. The next word is poraruraru. Poraruraru means confusion or emotional turmoil. It's all the funny stuff that goes on up here when we're not feeling quite right. The next word is pōtangotango, which means complete darkness. It's like an extension on te pō, darkness or night. An extension of that would be pōtangotango. And our final word is pōuriuri. Very similar to pōtangotango being an extension of te pō. Pōuriuri is an extension of pōuri, pōuri, sad. Pōuriuri is like a deep sadness, a much deeper, a much more intense sadness. Now, comment below what you think the common theme is among these words. And this is a very important exercise. It's very important to notice patterns, to notice similarities. If you can do that, you can become much more in tune with the language learning process.